Chillies are particularly high in vitamin C. Not that you're going to eat as many of them as you are an orange or a kiwi fruit to get your daily intake, but they're certainly still worthwhile adding to your meal because they're high in antioxidants and they add fantastic flavour, even to sweet dishes, such as my chocolate chili custard that I'm going to show you now. For something a little different today, I'm going to show you how to make my decadent chocolate chili custard with a secret ingredient, Ensure chocolate powder. Place 2 cups of full cream milk into a saucepan and heat until hot, but not boiling, and turn off. Whisk together sugar, corn flour, cocoa powder, eggs, chili and chocolate Ensure powder. The Ensure powder adds a boost of protein, calcium and iron. Now pour the chocolate mixture gradually into the hot milk and whisk well to combine. Heat gently for 1 to 2 minutes without boiling. The recipe can be served either hot or cold. To make this decadent custard, grab some Ensure chocolate from a participating pharmacy.